So hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel again. So guys, in this video we will see how to download and install the Roblox in your Windows. So guys, if you want to download and install the Roblox in the Windows, so guys, it is very easy. So guys, first of all, you simply go to the Google Chrome and simply search download Roblox for the PC. When you go here, you see this is the official link and make sure this is the website www.roblox.com with download page. Then guys, click the option of download Roblox. Now you no need to sign in, and guys, here these are the devices that are compatible with the Roblox. Now you simply go and click the option of download Windows app. Now it asks you for the scan. Just leave it and download the installer. So just click on the option of save. After that, here you see that your downloading is now start, and it is just an installer, not the complete app. So you just go to the location of the file, your installer file. Just click it and open your page, and just wait a few moments and it will download. If your internet is good and fast, so it doing well. Now guys, here you see that my application is now completely installed, and here you see that it ask me to create account and sign in. So if you already have account, so just click the option of sign in and just enjoy the game. Otherwise you create your account. Okay, so this is a simple way that you can install and run Roblox in your system. So guys, thank you and have a nice day.